Hello everyone, myself Rupal Choudhary. Currently I am pursuing my accessory and jewelry design from Arts College of Design and Business, and I am currently in my 8th semester. So today I want to express my love for design by introducing the jewelry piece that I created. So it is basically inspired from a Japanese philosophy which is Wabisabi, and supported by the art kintsugi, which says that nothing is perfect in this world. Everybody is imperfect, and also it allows you to accept the flaws which you have. So if I talk about the journey while making this whole product, I actually am in love with the whole journey, when I have to create the sketches, the ideation, all the flaws, what is happening around it, and also while creating the piece in the 3D software, where we have to actually do the measurements and all, and go into the depth of the piece and actually get it manufactured with the 3D camming software, and then the manufacturing to the casting and all those process. Also, when you get into the process of manufacturing, you actually know what all takes the efforts to create, to get a piece manufactured. And that's what I'm in love with all the flaws which I have got into the manufacturing process and all the challenges which I have faced through this whole process. So this is what I'm in love with my design and my process. This was my way of expressing the love for design. What's yours?